Here's a structured training guide for employees on how to use HubSpot at work. HubSpot is our all-in-one platform for managing customer relationships, sales, marketing, and service. This guide will walk you through the core features you'll be using day-to-day and best practices to keep everything organized. 1. Getting started login. Use your work email to sign in at HubSpot.com. Set up your profile. Add your name, profile picture, email, signature, and communication preferences. Notifications. Adjust notification settings so you stay updated without being overwhelmed. 2. Managing contacts. Adding a contact. Go to contacts. Create contact. Fill in key details. Name, email, phone, company, and notes. Save. Best practice. Always log calls, emails, or meetings directly into HubSpot so the full history is visible to the team. Pro tip. Use tags or properties, e.g. lead, customer, prospect, to categorize contacts. 3. Working with the sales pipeline accessing deals, go to sales, deals. Pipeline stages. Our default stages are new lead contacted qualified proposal, sent negotiation closed won, closed lost, adding a deal, click create deal, assign the contact/company, set deal value, close date, and stage. Best practice, always move deals through the pipeline as they progress. This keeps forecasts accurate. 4. Using tasks and reminders. Create tasks for follow-ups, calls, or deadlines. Assign tasks to yourself or teammates. Use the tasks dashboard daily to stay on top of your to-do list. 5. Marketing tools. Email campaigns. If your role involves sending campaigns, you'll find them under marketing. Email. Forms and landing pages used for collecting leads. Make sure to test before publishing. Automation. Workflows send automatic emails or assign tasks when certain actions happen, e.g., someone fills out a form. 6. Customer service, if applicable, tickets. Track support requests under service, tickets. Knowledge base. Search for FAQs to help resolve issues quickly. Live chat. Use chat to connect with customers in real time. 7. Reporting and dashboards access. Dashboards reports to dashboards. Key metrics. We track new leads generated, sales pipeline health, revenue closed, customer satisfaction, CSAT. Best practice. Check dashboards weekly to understand performance and areas for improvement. 8. Daily workflow checklist. Log into HubSpot. Review your tasks for the day. Update contacts and deals after each interaction. Move deals through the pipeline as progress is made. Check your team's dashboard for updates. 9. Tips for success. Keep HubSpot updated in real time. Don't wait until the end of the week. Use notes to capture context, e.g., client preferences, objections. Collaborate. Other teams rely on your updates to do their jobs effectively. Ask for help if you're stuck. Our HubSpot admin can assist. 10. Additional resources. HubSpot Academy, free training videos. academy.hubspot.com. Internal FAQs. Link to company resources. Team Slack channel for HubSpot questions. Remember, HubSpot is only as useful as the data we put into it. Keep it clean, updated, and accurate to get the most value.